Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP trolls support here, troll support in this overall corrective wave structure. We still have no evidence here that we are breaking down. We also have no evidence that we're breaking above resistance, so it's pretty much in a range. Yeah, and you could argue that the range is broadly between 50, 54, 55 cents. Yeah, actually we have Fibonacci resistance at 53.5 cents. And support down here at 48.5 cents. If the 48.5 cent level breaks to the downside, that would be the last confirmation we need that this third wave to the downside is actually unfolding. That should eventually take us to 43 cents and lower. This is currently the primary scenario. A break above resistance is obviously something we need to consider. Resistance levels break all the time, but obviously nothing we primarily watch for until the market has given us some evidence. So that means as long as we are consolidating below resistance, we need to consider that the price, that the easiest way, the pathway with least resistance is for XRP is to go down. Just be aware that, as I said many times before, XRP is a very, very choppy chart. It's moving in corrective structures. So we need to be flexible with this chart. Yeah, generally, it likes to surprise. XRP likes to do this, but it's just moving sideways. It has been moving sideways now for 3 weeks. And there are 2 ways of looking at this. So first of all, we can say that an A wave bottomed, which is within a larger WXYXZ correction, and it should make another low. So an A wave of the last wave of this correction bottomed on the 17th of August. Price moved up only in 3 waves so far, and there are different ways of doing this. I decided to put the B wave here, and then we could have started the C wave to the downside already. So in the C wave, we would have a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To keep this scenario alive, price needs to stay below 53.5 cents, which is the 78.6 retracement level of the wave 1 to the downside. This was a 5-wave move, at least we can interpret it as that. That's why I do it. And as long as price stays below that 78.6 retracement level I just highlighted, price should follow through to the downside. What I cannot rule out is, in this scenario, a further rally into resistance, highlighted in blue in this WXY structure. Absolutely possible, can rally to 51.6 cents, 52.4 or 53.5, but this is nothing you can really predict, but it looks like it might want to try it, okay? So it can certainly do that rally, but again, the message remains the same. Against 53.5 cents, I focus on lower. In the second scenario, the B wave is still unfolding as a triangle. It's just that kind of action. XRP likes triangles because it's moving so often in corrective structures. So we have 3 waves up, potential 3 waves down. If we make another lower high, possibly into resistance, it could even go a little higher in this scenario. Then I would, if it breaks above that 53.5 cent level, but breaks down afterwards again, then I first assume that we deal with a triangle because it broke resistance, but never broke out really to the upside. To really break out to the upside, it would need to break above 55.8 cents. So it could just be a triangle, which would be a 5-wave move, A, B, C, D, E, and then go down. Yeah, so it would simply delay that sell-off. Only a break above 55.8 cents would really invalidate the triangle and, in my opinion, lead to a rally to 63 cents, which is the next resistance level. I explained to you in the last video that there is a trend line here. I took it off now because I said it's probably not meaningful anymore. If a trend line breaks on the weekend, from experience, I can tell you it's not really meaningful. So I took it out now, and therefore I don't expect a rally after a breakout of resistance, because not on the weekend you don't have that sentiment. But therefore I rather consider this level relevant because it's the invalidation level of a potential triangle, 55.8 cents. That would be the breakout point to the upside here for me, and it could then, I'll put that onto the chart, and it could lead to a rally to the next relevant level at 63.6. That's also where we have, if I add the volume profile, the next spike in volume. Can you see that? So if price really breaks above that resistance, there is an insufficiency there, not really much historical volume. It could rally quite quickly to the next spike. Until then, we focus here on lower. And that's basically my view of XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.